we finished up the guest bedroom, so now we've moved into Reed's bathroom, and we're doing some crown molding work here. Got my dad here to give me a hand. Hey, Dad.
Good afternoon. More fun and games.
Ah, yes. Crown molding, we love it.
We love it.
Especially when the corner's all jacked up. So the framing for the addition came down right here, and at some point they had to trim off part of the framing, and then whoever did the drywall in this corner left it down pretty proud, so we actually had to cut it and beat it and everything else to get it to go up in there far enough to allow us to slip that piece up in there and get it to sit pretty well. So got our first piece cut. We're going to go ahead and get some blocks installed up there so we'll have something to nail to, and we'll work our way around the rest of the room.
All right, so we have Papa Stansberry here now, and we have shifted gears into Reed's bathroom. And can you get it? Okay. I realized there were a couple of large humps and dips in the ceiling, so they had to do some surgery. But we're getting a piece up, so.
Cramp.
Power through, babe. Power through.
I'm tired.
Looks really good.
We'll leave that loose
Okay.
so we do that piece, because I'm
Yeah.
betting it's gonna, looks good there, but once it starts pulling down a little bit,
Yeah.
we'll pull this out a little.
Okay. All right. Wow. That was really good.
All right, we're ready to go up with our next piece. Got all our nailers in there. Dad's got the piece of trim there. We're ready to get it fitted into place and get it nailed up. You can hear Amber working in the room next door, out in the foyer, upstairs hallway there. Using an oscillating tool with a sanding disc on it. She's sanding the railing. How's it going?
Oh, great.
That thing's loud.
I'm sorry. Is it really? Is it too loud?
No, it's fine.
All right.
Keep going. Is it working okay?
Yeah, it actually is. It's doing
Good.
good. The 60 grit works better.
Okay. Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah, see how nice that looks?
Yep.
And then I guess I'll go over it with the 120 when I'm done.
Yeah, sounds good.
Smooth it out.
We'll have to reach over the railing or put a ladder up for the stuff on the outside, huh?
Yeah, I'm able to put it through and get this top part, but
Okay.
this edge, I think it'd be easier from a ladder.
Yeah. Okay, looking great. Can't wait to see it all stained up and polyurethane.
Oh, me too.
All right, carry on.
All right.
All right, so we got that piece in. You can see there's a little bit of a gap there. It's going to have to be caulked, but that couldn't be helped. That corner was so crooked. This one is still loose over here because we're going to use the last piece to get it oriented in the right direction. Got our nailers up, and we got our piece cut here and coped, ready to go up. So Dad and I are going to set that in place and get her nailed in. All right, we got the last piece of crown up in here, and that looks really good. A little bit of caulk in the areas where we had a few dips and humps in the ceiling and wall, but that'll take care of that. A little wood filler in the nail holes, and be looking good for paint. We're gonna talk to the boss lady, see what she wants to do next. Maybe case this window that Dad's standing in front of. What do you think, Dad?
Yeah, that's
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
The trim's crooked? What?
Not one much.
Okay.
Check it
window.
Little bow in it.
I think they bowed it when they put this in.
Okay. Trying to get the trim up around Reed's window in his bathroom. That fix it?
Maybe. Better.
There. Beat on a little bit. In there.
Better.
Okay.
A little pressure on it while you put that up there and hold it.
Yeah. Top and bottom set. A little bit. Got it.
You're almost looking like a pro.
Nice.
How's it fit?
Excellent.
Okay.
Looking good.
Very nice job.
Thank you.
Woo.
Sit around. Crooked some of the seats.
All right, I give you an A+.
Thanks. What's next?
I don't know. We need to talk.
Amber's in Reed's room putting her caulking skills to the test.
Oh, yeah.
How's it going, honey?
Spectacular.
Do you love caulking? Caulking's a lot of fun, isn't it?
No, I hate it.
You're doing a nice job, though.
Thanks.
Really looks good. Can't even tell how screwed up the ceiling was there.
Yeah, that was tough. That was definitely a challenge.
Looks really, really nice.
Getting there.
That's good work.
Thanks.
While Amber's working on that, my dad and I have been working on the inside of Reed's closet, putting up the casing. Dad just had to take off. It's getting toward supper time. So we're finishing up the casing here. Had to use our little oscillating tool to cut the casing around this existing closet bracket. So we're putting that oscillating tool to work. And just got this piece nailed in. So now I'm gonna get my measurement for the piece that goes across the top of the door. Get that one nailed in, and then this closet will be done. All right, Amber just finished all of her caulk and wood filler work here in the bathroom. And got this crown looking really good. Ready for a final coat of paint. And she got the window casing, window sill, all this stuff caulked and wood putty, ready to go. Looks fantastic. So that is just about wrapped up. I got the last of the trim up in the closet here. So the casing's done on the inside of the closet. And just finished up next door in Grant's room, getting his last window cased. Slide all this stuff out of the way, cabinets and everything. And just got done casing it out. Got the stool, the apron, all the casing and everything fitting very nicely. So that pretty much takes care of this room. We've got to set his door here, obviously. And then we've got to go ahead and do the jamb and casing and everything for his closet. And we'll be ready to hang his bifold doors. Actually, he's got bypass doors. He's got sliders in here, so we'll be ready to hang those. Take one more peek in the guest room here. Really happy with the way the crown turned out in here. Crown's been a fight because of the ceilings and the walls. You know, nothing's perfectly smooth and square. Even though a lot of the stuff in this house is new, it's still an old house, and it's hard to find a perfectly square corner. So that makes it challenging when we're doing this crown and the casing and everything as well. But you know what? It really looks great. Looks like I still need to case this door, so I can work on that tomorrow. Excellent. All right, well, that's going to do us for this evening. We've got lots more to take care of tomorrow, but it's dark and we haven't had dinner. We're tired, so we're going to head home, get a bite to eat, put our feet up and rest up, and come back down here and hit this again tomorrow. See you guys then.